Hello, and welcome back to the AutoGPT Tutorials Channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share. OpenAI has rolled out some groundbreaking updates to ChatGPT, and we're here to dive deep into them. If you've ever wondered how AI is evolving and what the future holds, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has been at the forefront of conversational AI for quite some time. Its ability to generate human-like text based on the prompts it receives has been nothing short of revolutionary. But as with all things in the tech world, stagnation is not an option. OpenAI has been hard at work, and today we're diving deep into the latest enhancements that have been introduced to ChatGPT. Number 1. The visual revolution. ChatGPT can now see. Imagine having a conversation with someone, and instead of just telling them about a picture, you could show it to them. This is precisely the leap ChatGPT has taken. With its new visual capabilities, it can now interpret and describe images. This isn't just about identifying objects in a picture. It's about understanding context, emotions, and nuances. For developers, this means a whole new world of possibilities. Think of applications where users can get feedback on their artwork, or perhaps a tool that can narrate stories based on a series of images. The potential is vast and incredibly exciting. Number 2, an auditory experience. ChatGPT's ability to hear. Sound is a fundamental aspect of our world. From the chirping of birds to the bustling sounds of a city, it provides context and richness to our experiences. OpenAI recognized this and has equipped ChatGPT with the ability to understand sounds. This goes beyond just identifying a sound clip. It's about recognizing patterns, understanding different languages, and even picking up on emotional cues in a person's voice. Imagine a world where your AI assistant can not only transcribe meetings, but also provide insights on the mood and tone of the participants. Or perhaps a tool that can help musicians identify and recreate specific sounds. The auditory update is a game changer in every sense. Number 3, a voice for ChatGPT. From text to speech. While ChatGPT has always been a powerhouse when it comes to generating text, it lacked one crucial aspect, a voice, but not anymore. The latest update has given ChatGPT the ability to convert its text responses into speech. This is not just about reading out text. It's about doing so in a manner that feels natural, with the right intonations and emotions. For users, this means more interactive and engaging experiences. Whether it's voice assistants, audiobooks, or interactive storytelling, ChatGPT's voice capabilities are set to redefine how we consume content. Number 4, the bigger picture. Why these updates matter. With these updates, ChatGPT is breaking the barriers between humans and machines. It's not just about asking questions and getting text-based answers. It's about multimodal interactions that feel natural and intuitive. By combining visual, auditory, and speech capabilities, ChatGPT is paving the way for applications that are more immersive and interactive. It's a glimpse into the future of AI, where the lines between the digital and physical worlds blur, leading to experiences that were once the stuff of science fiction. Number 5, embracing the future, the road ahead for ChatGPT. As we delve into these new features, one thing is clear: this is just the beginning. OpenAI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI ensures that ChatGPT will continue to evolve. Today, it can see, hear, and speak. Tomorrow, who knows? What we do know is that we're on the cusp of a new era in AI, and ChatGPT is leading the charge. Conclusion. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, staying updated with the latest advancements is crucial. OpenAI's ChatGPT has once again proven its prowess by introducing features that redefine the boundaries of conversational AI. From understanding visuals to recognizing sounds and even speaking, ChatGPT is not just a tool. It's a testament to the limitless possibilities of AI. As we've explored these groundbreaking updates, it's evident that the future of AI-driven communication and interaction is bright, immersive, and incredibly promising. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the latest in AI innovation right here on AutoGPT Tutorials Channel. If you found this video insightful and want to stay updated with more such content, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your peers, and subscribe to our channel. For any questions or feedback, drop a comment below, and we'll do our best to engage with you. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the future of AI is here, and it's exciting. See you in the next tutorial.